My name is Tanya Clark, and I'm currently working towards my bachelor's and master's degrees in education. I'm passionate about helping students succeed, not only in school, but in life as well. One big issue that's really been on my heart is how inflation is messing with college students' work life balance. A lot of us are working long hours just to afford rent, food, gas, you name it. According to the National Center of Education Statistics, about 40% of full time students also work, and it's taking a real toll. This kind of pressure makes it hard to get enough sleep, eat right, study, and still have time for relationships or mental health. It doesn't just affect students, it impacts families, friends, teachers, everyone. So here's the big problem I'm focusing on. Inflation is forcing students to overwork themselves, and it's hurting their ability to learn, stay healthy, and enjoy life. To tackle this, I looked into cognitivism, which is a learning theory all about how our minds take in and process information. Unlike other approaches that focus on just behavior and rewards, cognitivism dives into how we think, remember, organize, and understand what we're learning. It uses strategies like chunking information into manageable parts, scaffolding new ideas, and building mental connections so students don't get overwhelmed. It also encourages things like self reflection and self regulation, which helps students notice what's working for them and what's not. Honestly, these tools are exactly what students under pressure need. If they understand how they learn, they can manage their time and energy better even when life gets hectic. So, my idea is something called a cognitive coaching center. Picture a space on campus where students could drop in and meet with trained peer coaches, would help them build better learning habits using cognitivist techniques. These coaches would walk students through how to break big tasks into smaller chunks, use visual organizers, improve memory with strategies like retrieval practice, and reflect on what study methods actually work for them. It's not tutoring, it's more like having a brain training buddy who helps you figure out how to learn smarter, not harder. Especially for students juggling jobs and classes, this could make a huge difference in how they manage their time and energy. To make this happen, we need some training materials and workshops for the student coaches, a quiet, welcoming space on campus where students can meet up, basic supplies like planners, whiteboards, and maybe even tablets, and ideally support from faculty or student services to spread the word and make it a regular part of campus life. These tools can make or break how effective the hubs are and help us build something long lasting. So, this is where you come in. I'm asking for support, whether it's funding, resources, mentorship, or just helping us make connections with people who care about student wellness and learning. This program could really help students stay on track even when life gets tough. If we can give them the cognitive tools to manage their learning better, we can help them succeed without burning out. Thank you so much for your time and believing in an education that supports the whole student. Bye.